Similarly, we can solve the question if we want to represent root over 9.3 on the number line, we can follow the same procedure to get root over 9.3. So first what we are going to do is, we'll be assuming that x is equal to 9.3, right? So the first step says, draw a line segment AO which is equal to 9.3. AO, this is equal to 9.3 units, right? It can be centimeter, meter, anything, right? Now we need to extend AO such that we get OB which is equal to 1 unit. So we are extending O to point B such that this is equal to 1 unit, right? Now the third step is that we need to draw a semicircle with AB as the diameter, right? So considering AB as the diameter, let me draw a circle for you. Right, you need to draw a semicircle with AB as the diameter, right? This will be doing with the help of compass, right, by using the concepts of construction. Now the next step is we need to extend O such that it meets the semicircle. We have extended O so that it meets the semicircle at point D, right, and C is the center of the let's say AB, right? We know that OD is nothing but OD is a required line segment, root over 9.3, and what we need to do is we just need to put our compass and pivot it at O and transfer this on the number line, right? Make the number line with its axis coinciding with AB. So this was the method to represent any irrational number which is having a decimal expansion on a number line.